may have heard of us, Aero Collective, creators of the thinnest, strongest, most advanced wallets in the world. We're back, introducing the Stealth Carbon and the Stealth Diamond. Yeah, you guessed it, the strongest, the thinnest, the sleekest wallets, upgraded. Stealth Carbon, made from 3K woven carbon fiber from the best factory on Earth. Engineered with an impenetrable edge, coated with the hardest substance in nature, diamond. Stealth Diamond boasts an innovative leather body fused with fibers 15 times stronger than steel. 8 cards, 6 bills, completely RFID protected. Everything you need in a minimalist wallet. Because at Aero Collective, you get thin, yet spacious. Strong, yet flexible. Luxurious, yet durable. Designed and made in the USA, we believe in outthinking boundaries and engineering the tools that outlast your adventures. Order yours now and get the best slim wallet ever made.
The Innway Accent is a smart wallet with a smart design. Quickly access your cards with a flick of the release trigger. Get your cash with the quick draw system. Making payments is so fast and easy with the Innway Accent. Perhaps too fast sometimes, so you might get distracted and careless with it. Luckily, technologies back us up nowadays. Innway Accent connects to the phone and lets you know when you leave your wallet behind. The Innway app shows the last seen location of the wallet to save your day, thanks to some smart guys who worked on functional engineering. The Innway Accent comes with RFID protection that blocks your cards from being swiped by thieves. The Innway Accent is not only lightweight, it also gives you a peace of mind. Can't remember where you placed your phone again? Press the button and your phone rings, even if it's on silent. One less stress to fuss over. Oh, and that premium leather oozes quality and style. It makes you want to hold the Innway Accent in your hand. The Innway Accent is the perfect everyday carry. You can fit up to 6 cards in it, and its long battery life means you only have to charge it twice a year. The Innway Accent is handcrafted with exquisite care, not just in the detail, but also in its practicality and usability. Available now on Kickstarter.
2 years ago, we set out to change the way backpacks are used. We redesigned everything. Every seam and buckle, and we released Joey. And you loved it. All your support inspired us to challenge ourselves even further. So we started thinking about today's wallets. Let's face it. Wallets are either bulky and uncomfortable, or way too minimal. So we came up with something new. It combines handcrafted traditional materials with an innovative design. Meet DJIN. DJIN has just 2 compartments. You can access everything you need in one swift motion. The stainless steel clip can hold 10 cards, 20 bills, or any combination of the 2, so there's no wasted space. Coins? DJIN has a pocket that holds everything, from coins to keys to USB sticks. We've also given DJIN a concealed drawer for the small items you need to keep safe. Oh, and once again, we've got your back. DJIN comes with an RFID blocking card, so forget about your information being stolen. Everything about this wallet is thin and light. We make it out of leather or microfiber, so you can choose the style that's right for you. DJIN is tiny, but it's got room for everything you need. Every day, everywhere. This is our second campaign, and once again, we're ready for production. We just need your support to make it happen. From our whole team here at Koala Gear, we want to thank you for bringing DJIN to life.